YouTubians and fellow hobbyists! Welcome to this Saturday morning. Welcome to Car Dreams in Stereo. I'm your host, Gary G. Me and my production team. Woo-hoo! We hope sure you'll be safe out there. Today we take care on our little car, the body, and it's gonna be some modification on the bodies. A lot. There will be a suicide doors, new nose, some ideas with the windows. But first, as always, the riddle. Well, hello you guys, back in the shop. Today, take care on the body. We started by sanding the paint so the next paint will hold better. Of course, we had to lengthen the front end since we have this 12-cylinder motor in, so we started by clipping off the front end. Of course, now we created a gap that we had to fill up with some styrene, and that's the next step. We wanted to have on this car some suicide doors, and that's what we're gonna build right now. So first, of course, we do our bands. If you want to have more information about making those hinges, go on my playlist, tips and tricks. After the glue completely dried and everything was fixed, we were ready to remove the tape and look if our doors even work. Next, we cut out some styrene to close the wheel houses on the rear end. The side window openings will have some metal spiderwebs. I had a special idea for the rear window. Since that's gonna be a red rod, I wanted to have the letters red instead of a rear window, so I cut that out of styrene, and we're gonna weather it later on, so it's gonna be rusty. I shortened the front end a little bit, so it's not gonna be too long, though the proportions will fit better. So I was not too happy with the front end. It looked a little bit boring to me, so of course I had to do the Mr. G on it. So we had a old front bumper laying around that we tried to fix on it, and we also made a new grille. But that's all for now. See you next time in the shop here. Have a good one. Bye bye. That's all for this week. Just want to mention, here in Austria the C19 numbers are going down at a point where we almost can go back to normal life. So I hope wherever you are, you be safe, stay healthy, have a great weekend. Till next time, you Gary G.
And the production team?
The production team. Who else?